Connect. Manual control set to 0. And run.
That's what's happening. Cool. That's a total optical illusion. That's a total optical illusion.
I hope it doesn't get too loud at my certain ones.
What's the optical illusion, Danny?
That this screw, wait, Dad, don't move it for a second. The optical illusion is that this screw, it's actually moving out. Why does it make different sounds?
Different speed.
Wait, I know another way that's good for different sounds. You can tell what it's doing by the noise if you're blind. What's that green in the middle of that?
That tells us that the power is on.
Cool. I think you're liking this, Dad.
You think so?
Yeah.
What about you?
I think it's pretty cool. Of course, I didn't do it, Dad. You did most of it. And Dad.
And Dad.
And you designed it yourself.
I did design it.
It's like a conveyor belt.
Kinda like that.
Except here, they're going to, except on the conveyor belt, you couldn't see the bottom. It would just be a boom, and then here's the basket, and everything would go into it.
It's really good music.
How high can you make it?
That's about as fast as it's going to go with this motor. Well, at least until they change the software that's inside of this little computer.
Dad, you said that would burn up when I twisted it. When
Yes.
I got it out.
I didn't say this would burn out. What I said was, right now, the way I was doing it, there's power coming from the wall socket, and goes through this set of wires right here into this computer, and then this computer through these wires right here sends the power to the motor, and everything's good. If you twist this little part, and the motor turns, then the motor, instead of being a motor, turns into being an electrical generator, and it sends the power the other way.
You got a pretty good use for power up.
I don't know if that computer is protected internally enough that if the power comes this way, it's going to be able to accept it and do something useful with it.
If you make that now, we could have had it in handy for the power out.
Yeah, that's a very small generator, but that's a very small computer. So if you turn it, possibly, don't know for sure, you don't want that experiment because that's a $130 computer plus shipping. So if I
Plus shipping.
exactly, so if I start twisting this by hand and this thing burns out, I'm in a lot of trouble. So let's just not take the chance. It might be okay, might not be okay. We don't know. Let's not do it. Capiche?
Let's try it.
Mommy, is there any duct tape in the house?
Let's try it.
Because I think there's a spot on the fan right here. We duct tape her upside down right over there and just spin her around a
That's
bit.
from last time.
Let's
go.
try it.